Welcome back to the next class of science. Children, last time we talked about deficiency diseases, which are caused because of lack of certain nutrients in our diet. Today we will talk about the junk food and how to make our food healthy.
Causes of roughage. Junk foods and their ill effects. The foods that are high in calories and low in nutrients are called junk foods. Junk foods contain large amounts of fat, sugar, and salt. Eating one type of food in large quantities may not be beneficial. Fats are stored in the body, and a diet rich in fats such as fried food, chips, junk food, noodles, fast food, burger, pizza, etc., eaten regularly may lead to fattening and being overweight. Such a condition is called obesity. Ways to make diet more healthy. There are some ways through which we can make our diet more healthy. Sprouting. Ask your parents to give you a handful of gram, chana, seeds. Wash the seeds in running water and hand-pick any other impurity that you may find. Put the clean seeds in a bowl and fill the bowl with water so that the seeds are immersed in water. Leave the seeds in water overnight. In the morning, drain out the water and cover the bowl with wet cloth. After about 8 to 10 hours, wet the cloth again and keep it overnight. Next morning, when you remove the wet cloth, you will find that a white hair-like structures are grown from the seeds. The seeds are said to have sprouted. In case you do not see the sprouting, cover again with wet cloth and leave the bowl for another 12 hours till you see the sprouting in the seeds. You can repeat the same activity with moong dal, lentil, and observe the sprouting. The sprouting seeds, whether chana or moong, can be washed and eaten as a snack after mixing salt according to taste. You may also ask your mother to cut some onions and tomatoes into small pieces that you can add to the sprouted seeds to make it more tasty. Fermentation. Fermentation is the process by which the microbes break down the complex sugars into simple compounds like carbon dioxide and alcohol. Fermentation changes the product from one food to another. Cheese, bread, yogurt, chocolate, vinegar, etc. are all produced through the process of fermentation. Diseases related to unhealthy diet and lifestyle. Unhealthy diet and lifestyle can lead to several diseases like diabetes, obesity, anemia, blood pressure, etc. Diseases, symptoms, prevention. Diabetes, weight loss, tiredness, slow healing sore or cuts. Eat foods high in fiber, including fruits, vegetables, beans, whole grains, and nuts. Exercise regularly. Avoid eating too much sweets and chocolates and food rich in carbohydrates. Obesity, fattening, overweight. Avoid foods that are high in calories. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Do regular physical exercises. Drink water rather than beverages. Anemia, weakness, tiredness, fatigue. Eat a balanced, healthy diet rich in iron and vitamin A. Avoid drinking tea and coffee. Blood pressure, dizziness, profuse sweating, bleeding from the nose. Eat a healthy diet and low-fat dairy products. Reduce salt in a diet. Food adulteration. In our daily life, There are so many unhygienic and contaminated things that affect our health. Of the many things that are contaminated, even the food which we eat is adulterated. The deliberate contamination of food material with low quality, cheap, and non-edible or toxic substances is called food adulteration. The substance which lowers or degrades the quality of food material is called an adulterant. Food is adulterated to increase the quantity and make more profit. Food and some common adulterants.
Various types of adulterants found in the food items are given in this table.
Food, adulterant. Milk, water, starch, skim milk powder. Ghee, vanaspati. Flour, Bengal gram flour. Pulses, metanyl yellow to improve color. Edible oil, argemon oil. Honey, jaggery.